Whatapu ke o tua mafi o ana ai aho koe ni whatapu ke hau toka o e otwele ni te king tupo wono mono whare pe moe maalari o e aho maho ingani. Long live your majesty. Whatapu ke kau whamau, kau whawhalanglangi o mea pehe ke kau whiwhine o whataha mai ke beauty pageant wanoa ua tolu. Koko ingoa ko Natialee Mahe, Miss Lady Maria Australia. Koe gulele mai me kolo tau o hule. Funga fele ave, tulo watu, moha anima mea. Kau whakamatala ki hoku Kiekie. Koe laukau aki ihe aho koe ni pia mohono whakaofo ofa. Ko Kiekie ko lopa tupua na tatao he funga kari loa. Pea tauhi mo lehi he okuiai hono aho. Na toli mai me whanga whaetangata, me he kolo tau o tau aki. Pea tui lo taha, o whakamatala i Heilala, pea toki tui fio, hangie hakakala, koe whakatatau pe ke wike o e Heilala. Koe sini ma mea a me he kolo tau o hule, ke whai hano sani, koe aho pe nia, ke tau wiki he koe ngāwe lahi, mo mata lelea si oto kupesi Heilala. Isa, ai lopa koe akau tufonua. Na tokoni ke tak mamata pe o ke whakatolonga mai, ai siweli ai Tonga, ke iteke e tau ekonomika. Koe whakatoa e lopa kua toli pe atui, i hoku Kiekie kupesi Heilala, koe fo i lopa e nima afe, whamalo lahi atu, kisi oku kainga. Whakapa atu pe moe lotu, mea Natialee Mahe, Miss Lady Maria Australia. Kau whakamau, koe whinemui whikawha ia i he whiawhini. Judges, our next contestant for the Sarong competition is Miss Lady Maria Australia. Her name is Natialee Mahe and only 22 years old. While she's coming on stage, judges, just reminding our viewers that the criteria for the sarong wear, the ladies tonight are judged on poise, personality, natural beauty, elegance, modesty, according to our cultural standards, suitability of the sarong in place of a swimsuit, attractiveness of the sarong, and creativity of the tied design. It aims at showing the healthy physique of each contestant in a way that requires them to be creative, fashionable, and modest. Contestants are advised to be culturally sensitive, and they will receive the highest total score in this category, and the top 5 will be announced tonight for the title of the Best Swimwear Award. O ik matau kainga o tau whiwhia whoko uhi o ki hene tau kau whakamau o Tonga ene hono whakahau ko te whiauhi koe ki he sarong. Kātaki o paspasi mai Miss Lady Maria Australia, Natialee Mahe, ta ua.
Mei he teu pe koe a whinemui mahino koe siva e whakahoko. Ka koe kamata koe.
We only have a few more ladies, but right now, please put your hands again together. Put your hands together again for Miss Lady Maria Australia.
Staring at the edge of the water, long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water, no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, sit down to these lights, the place I know where I cannot go, where I long to. In the light of the sky to see, it calls me, and no one knows before it goes. With the wind in my sails and the sea stays behind me. One day I know, if I go, there's just no telling how far I'll go. I know everybody on this island seems so happy on this island. Everything is by design. I know every
Sivaloa. That's contestant number 4, Miss Lady Maria, Australia. I just found out we've got thousands of people watching from overseas, missing Tonga, regardless of the time. A lot of places, it's very early in the morning, but they're watching. Mahalo Lele, and thank you for joining us here in Tonga.